All right, so in this video I want to talk briefly about the incredible program Bitcoin's Brain, where you can receive 0.3% returns on your investment hourly, which equates to 7.2% daily. Now the really cool thing about this, regardless of how much you choose to invest, you're going to receive your principal back in 14 days, actually just under 14 days. And here's how we can figure that out. So let's say you put in $100. And you get the 0.72, which is 7.2%. So you're making 720 a day. Okay, 720. So we go back to the 100, we divide that by 7.2, and it comes to 13.8888. So basically 14 days, and you're going to have received your initial investment back in your pocket, in your hands, because it pays daily 4 times a day. And it pays directly to your Bitcoin wallet, whatever you choose. So, I mean, it's the same for any variable you put in. Let's say you put in $1,000, and you're making that 7.2% a day, so $72 a day. So 1,000 divided by 72 equals 13.888. It's the same, so 14 days. So it doesn't matter what figure you choose to invest. As long as the program keeps paying, you're going to be generating your principal back in the first 14 days, and then everything after that would be pure, profit and returns. Now, there's different ways you could do this. Again, you get your principal back in 14 days, and what I put together here was just to show you some basics. This isn't just straight investment to what you receive. There's no compounding, no nothing, and you could reinvest daily and compound your efforts, and that would catapult returns. But here, just look, 100 is 720 a day. It's $216 a month, or $2,592 a year. 500, you just double it. Well, actually more than double it, sorry. 500 more than doubles, but it's 36 a day, 1,080 a month, or 12,960 a year. 1,000 would be $72 a day, $2,160 a month, $25,920 a year. 2,000 is a little more of a sweet spot. You're making $144 a day, $4,320 a month, $51,840 a year. You bump it up to $5,000. Again, you're going to return that within 14 days, and you're going to continue to make $360 a day, which is $10,800 a month, which is $129,600 a year. So that's pretty powerful. If you want to double that, well, that's $720 a day, $21,600 a month, and $259,200 a year. Again, that's only if you were to just put the money in and let it take it out and never do anything else again. That's not reinvesting. That's not reinvesting daily. That's nothing. That's just putting the original principal investment and then collecting your daily returns. So it's extremely powerful, extremely simple, completely passive. There's no need for any kind of sponsoring required. However, they do pay out 5% on the first level, 3% on the second, and then the third, fourth, and fifth levels they pay 1%. So there's a huge potential to compound with that as well. And just as an example, you could really change this if you reinvest it for 30 days. So if you took $2,000 and you reinvest it for 30 days. Let's go over here. I haven't cleaned this up in a bit. This is a high yield interest program calculator. Now let's put in $2,000 and let's put in 100%, and let's change it to 7.2% a day. And if you just reinvested every single day what you returned, this is what that could look like. So you would take 2,000 and you turn it into 14,000. If you took that 14,000, you do it one more time. All right. Oops, I'm not changing any of that. We're not changing that. So this is reinvesting 100% of what you receive, and you're going to take that 14,000. You're going to turn it into 99,000. Now compare that to what we were looking at here, which is $144 a day, $4,000 a month, $51,000 a year. So if you compounded it over a course of 60 days, you're going to turn that into 99,000. Well, now if you have 99,000 invested, I mean, what's the difference with that? Let's go over here, and let's just say for the sake of easy math, we have 100,000 invested now. So what does that equal? It should be pretty simple math, right? I think it's 7,200. 100,000 times 0.02, or 7.2%, equals 7,200. Okay, so 7,200 a day. And let's go back to our calculator. Multiply that by 30. It's $216,000 a month. Okay. And what is that a year? Times 12 is 2.5 million. Almost 2.6, but 590, was it 592? Yeah. Okay, so 2 million, and that's if you did, again, no more compounding, no nothing, you just let that investment ride. That's what you would be pulling out on a daily basis. Again, I'm not giving any financial advice or making any guarantees. I'm just showing you the information based on what's shared inside this program. And all you have to do is go ahead and click on the button to get started and start wherever you're comfortable if you decide to get started. And you can make that decision if you want to compound or if you just want to put in a daily amount. It's entirely up to you. It's a one-time investment and just let it ride. You can have straight math, or if you compound it greatly, you can take that $2,000 and turn it into 100 in 2 months, and then let that ride, and you're talking a significant daily amount. Very powerful. And again, you get your principal back in 14 days. So even with this right here, in 2 weeks, that would be back in your account. Very, very powerful. All right, thanks for watching, and hope you have a great and prosperous day.